Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. In this demonstration, we will perform DNS enumeration using AI. As we've seen in our previous demos, Shell GPT is a powerful AI tool available in Kali Linux, often used in cybersecurity tasks. So, we'll use Shell GPT to carry out DNS enumeration. To begin, open your Kali Linux and launch the terminal. Now type the following command: sgpt --chat scan --shell. Next, enter the following prompt within double quotes. Use Nmap to perform DNS enumeration where domain is google.com. Press enter. Shell GPT will respond with a suggested script. Nmap --script DNS-brute -small p 53 google.com. Now type a capital E and press enter to execute the command and begin DNS enumeration using Shell GPT. As you can see, the output is displayed in approximately 14.79 seconds. In the results, you'll notice that port 53 is being used. That's because our script specified -p53, which is the default port for DNS. The scan targeted the domain google.com, and the output includes filtered DNS record for that domain. For example, one MAC address listed is 2404:6800:4002:81F:2000. We also see DNS records associated with the IP address 142.250.194.46. For the subdomain admin.google.com, the IP address is 142.250.206.110, and the MAC address appears as 2404:6800:4002:813:200, and so on. This is how you can retrieve DNS records and perform DNS enumeration using Shell GPT.